Let's talk about combining like terms. Like terms, that is just one word. Like term, it's two words, but one phrase. It's one thing. Like terms are part of expressions that are constants. That's just a number with no variable at all. Number like 7, 42. I don't know. 9,000, any number that has no variable, or a coefficient with the same variable. So like 72b and 1 or 2b. Those are different coefficients, 72 and 2, but what's important is they have the same variable. Even 14b would be a like term with 72b and 2b, but not 5s, because s is a different variable. It's not a like term with 72b, 2b, and 14b. And if you had something that said 72b plus 2b, you can combine those. You can say, 74b. Or if it said, but contrastly, if it said 14b minus 5s, you can't take away b's and s's because we don't know what they are, but we know they represent different things. If b and s represented the same thing, then they would have the same variable. Maybe it's 14 times the number of burgers minus 5 times the number sauce packets. You can't subtract those because they're different things. Okay, let's combine like terms to create an equivalent expression. I see 7k. So all of the terms in this expression, we have 7k, we have k, and I know that's 1k, but we don't write the 1 when there's only 1 because I can clearly see there's only 1. If there were more than 1, it would say how many there were next to it. And then we have 19. 19 is a number with no variable at all, so that is a coefficient, a constant, 19 is a constant. However, 17k and k are coefficients with the same variable, so that means we can combine those. They are like terms. 17k minus k, we said that was 1k, would be 6k. And then we are adding 19 onto that. There are no other like terms in this expression to combine with 19, so we just have to leave it at that. 6k plus 19. And that's an equivalent expression to 7k minus k plus 19. And this next equivalent expression, our terms are 5t, 10, 4, and t. I see some constants here. I see 10 and 4 don't have a variable at all, so we call those constants. They're just regular numbers that you guys have been dealing with for years and years now. And 5t is a coefficient that has the same variable as this t over here. This one has a little bit more steps because it has 4 terms in it instead of just 3. So first of all, I'm going to just combine my constants. 10 minus 4 is 6. And we have 5t. And over here we have a t being subtracted. So 5t minus t would be 4t. So we have 4t. I'm going to write a capital T so it doesn't look like a plus sign. And then I guess I drew that circle a little bit too close to the plus sign. We were adding that to the constants. So 5t minus t was 4t, and then we were adding that term to 6.